2023 Chevy Silverado 2500HD. So Chevy wanted $2,000 to put a Borla kit on it for him. They wanted over $2,000. So he's like, hell no, I ain't spending that kind of money. I'll bring it to Exhaust Addicts. So that's what he did. Anyways, factory converter. Why is it a single? And it's got the dreaded third cat there. The 3.5-inch pipe. He brought his own muffler, guys, which was a Black Widow right there. BWSDV2-32. Good Lord, Black Widow. It's a huge number. But it is the Venom 250. And there's the muffler. It's a single in, dual out. Then we ran 2.25 tailpipes out the back. Ran tailpipes out the back on each side. And then we also installed some A-Cark 3-inch tips. Here's the part number right there on those. There'll be a link in the description for them. They're 2.25 inlet, 3-inch outlet, rolled black chrome there. And right there to finish them. As you guys can see, then we did custom hangers. So basically dualed it out for him. Black Widow 250. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And wait till the end because there will be a drive off. So make sure you watch it. And there's that gigantic muffler that was on it that we cut off. And there's the gigantic tailpipe that was on it that we cut off. Stay tuned, guys. That's it. Nice idle pool. Idle's 83.2, guys. Rev it. Right at 94. Sounds really nice. Yeah, that sounds really nice. That's a big truck, guys. Look how much I got to back up. That sounds really nice. I like it for a Black Widow. Let you guys hear on the inside. What a massive truck. That's just a massive truck, guys. Look at this. The front end, everything about it is just massive. I like them, but they're so expensive.